Hello and welcome to Maths with Jacob. This lesson will focus on days of the week. Most students would have a good idea about the days of the week. Students need to know the following. There are 7 days in a week. The days of the week are Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. The normal weekdays are Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. We work or go to school on weekdays. The 2 days of the weekend are Saturday, Sunday. We normally relax on the weekend. The following are basic examples of questions that students must be able to answer. Now, the answers for these questions are on the next slide. I will leave this open here for a little while. You can pause this video to give you as much time as you want to answer these questions, and the answers are on the next slide, and I'll move to those answers in 10 seconds. So here we go to the answers. So we have the 8 answers now from the previous slide. So you can pause that now and check how you went. Pause it for as long as you want. And I will now move on. Fortnight. We use the word fortnight, and this is a duration of 2 weeks. Long weekend. This occurs when we have at least 1 or 2 extra days from school or work. The days off can be Monday or Friday or both days. So in other words, we have a weekend and it's extended. It's called a long weekend. Dates. Dates can be written in many different ways. Examples of some ways are 4th of May 2016. 4th of the 5th, 2016. You can do it the same way with full stops. You can do May the 4th, 2016, or you can do the 4th of May, 2016. There are many other ways to write the date, but these are just 5 that I've picked for you. They're quite popular. In order to keep track of our daily activities, we can use school diaries, paper calendars, mobile phone calendars, etc. And we'll look more closely at some of those in the upcoming videos. So this video has introduced you to the days of the week. I'm sure you already knew it, but we just gave you some information there and probably some words maybe you hadn't seen before in fortnight and long weekend. And now we will move on and to the end of the video.